so ain't my region now. But now I'm headed out there anyhow. Set it up like I'm headed out for the big amount. Shoot it up like I'm heading out for the pictures now. How many people could do it?
In today's video, I'm going to show you a stage male stripper dance move combination guaranteed to blow the audience's mind. Trust me, this has been test run by myself. I've tested this out on my own shows and it gets good reactions. So let me show you how I do it. Starting off with the combination, we're going to do a stomp on the ground, okay? So right leg, left leg, whatever. I'm going to show you the right leg. So right leg stomps on the ground. As we stomp on the ground, we bring our fists up and we stomp and we pull our fists down at the same time as we stomp, okay? So leg up, fist up, down. Now the stomp, the moment we hit the ground, that initiates immediately a body roll movement, okay? Should I say actually a body wave movement. We're gonna do an arm wave, but it's a double arm wave, okay? So it starts off with the chest, shoulders, elbows, forearms, wrists, fingers. That's the arm wave in a nutshell, okay? So fists up, stomp, arm wave. Stomp, stomp. One more time, stomp. Once you've gotten used to that movement, you've gotten used to the actual stomp initiating the chest pop to the arm wave movement, then we're gonna look at starting to incorporate the other moves, okay? So we do the stomp, we lower our body weight, and we do a double arm wave, okay? From here, the next part of the dance move combination is to jump up and assume this position with our arms, a nice 90-degree angle, L shape, okay? From the very top, let me run through it quickly again. Fist up, stomp, lower body weight, double arm wave, jump up. Nice, strong flexing position. Next part of the dance move combination is to do a pivot and a hit with the arm at the same time. I'm bringing the arm all the way down. I'm pivoting all the way in on my toes with that same leg. As I bring the arm back, the leg pivots back. Then I do the other side. Hit and pivot and back. One more time, guys. From the top, fists up, stomp, double arm body wave, lower the body weight, jump up, pivot, pivot. Now from here, to finish off the dance move combination, I simply cross my legs. I do my right leg across my left leg, out in the front. I keep this arm hanging out like this. Sometimes I point, sometimes I just go like that. And I bring this other arm to my ear to kind of get the audience to make some noise, give me a cheer. And then I finish my cross leg spin with my arm at my ear. Basically prompting the audience to cheer or make some noise, okay? All together, the dance move combination from the top. Let's break it down. Step one, stomp, body wave down, arms out. Step two, jump up. Step three, pivot, pivot. Step four, cross. Step five, spin. That's the dance move. Stomp, down, up, pivot, pivot, cross, spin. Now let's go through the whole dance move combination with the actual dance counts. Follow along with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now in real time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looking good. Okay, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go a bit quicker now. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
I really mean it, I feel like the only one around. Whoa, while I'm at it, I ain't kidding, I won't have it. Try and wait for me to slip, I ain't no Bambi. I'll be center in a rink, I'm Joey Sackage. And when you see me, I just came out with the hat trick. Oh God, don't be stressing with the magic. Acting out cause you ain't never seen no rabbits. All them bunnies, they be helping me imagine how I tell them that the man.
So there you have it, that's a little awesome stage move dance combination that you can use. And look guys, if you want to see more videos like these, exclusive videos that teach the art of male striptease, sexy dance moves, etc., click the link in the video description below and make sure you hit subscribe guys, stay up to date with my channel, and I'll see you next time.